6:06 this morning, checking in with Ansley. Ansley going to be just extremely hot today. Usually I try and still get a walk in maybe in the afternoon if I'm like on a trail under the trees. Is it still, you think, just going to be just too hot for that even today?
That probably is the best move. Just make sure you're in the shade and make sure you have lots of water for you and Cooper, because it's going to be hot today and it's going to be probably the hottest day of the work week. So luckily things improve from here, but at least through today you do want to make sure you're taking the heat seriously. Temperatures will be a whole lot warmer than they are this morning. So as you wake up, a little bit of cloud cover and numbers that are in the 70s. So this kind of feels familiar, basically where we were this time yesterday, if not actually a little bit cooler. So low 70s greet you in the morning, but still lots of humidity. And this is really going to be the difference maker as we head into the rest of the day, because it's going to drive the heat index up to a pretty uncomfortable place, not just for us here in central Georgia, but actually across the majority of the state. By the afternoon, the feels like numbers are going to be between 105 to 109, and that is area wide. So it is going to be a hot day today. Like I said, take the heat seriously. Make sure you're listening to your body, drinking extra water, and taking breaks from the sun when you can, because this is going to be the highest heat we've had in quite some time. And of course, that means the actual numbers themselves will be warm. A high of 97 today, above the average for this time of year, and a whole lot warmer than the temperatures we've had for the last several days. So it's obviously going to be hot, but will there be any relief from the heat? The answer is yes, but only for a select couple of places. Hit or miss showers and storms are in the forecast once again today, so not everybody is going to get in on the action. As you wake up this morning, it's a story of cloud cover. We really don't have any rain out there just yet, but we kind of look back 24 hours ago, and that gives us a good idea of what the rain chances could be like later today. When we look back 24 hours ago, you see actually majority of the area ended up staying dry yesterday, but even still, we did have a couple of hit or miss showers that mainly our eastern counties got in on. So I think that today is going to follow a pretty similar format. You really won't see anything on the graph model here. The graph keeps going back and forth as to whether it thinks we're going to have rain today or not. But I still think either way, we do have a possibility for a couple of hit or miss showers and storms by the afternoon. Like I said, not everybody gets in on the action, but you at least have a chance. Then we roll into Wednesday. What you see up here late Tuesday night is actually a cold front that's going to be pushing through our area as we go throughout Wednesday. That cold front may push a brief shower or thunderstorm into our region Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. Pretty much similar to what you could experience today. A hit or miss shower for Wednesday is possible, but the good news is after that front rolls through here on Wednesday, it's going to actually bring in some much drier air for Thursday. So rain chances stay pretty much near zero as we go throughout Thursday afternoon and into Friday afternoon. So a nice dry end to the work week. And what that's ultimately going to do is also make temperatures feel a whole lot more comfortable. Take a look at your 7-day forecast here. You'll see the actual high temperatures really don't change much. We're going to stay still somewhere near the mid 90s. But the actual temperatures will stay feeling like the actual numbers. The heat index is going to be much more manageable as we close out the work week. And then we climb into the weekend with some slightly increased rain chances, but the slightly increased rain chances will keep temperatures somewhere in the low 90s.